Merry Christmas morning from Tampa, Florida. This is a typical Christmas morning here. Rainy and dreary. Wet and nasty. So Christmas morning I had to come out and try and film something here. My buddy John Burt gifted me some wood arrows here. I haven't shot woodies in a while. I've never shot one of these. So this is gonna be the first shot out of the Triple Crown to see if they'll fly. I got this candy cane. They caught my eye at a yard sale because they claim to be shatterproof. We'll see about that. Going back to the usual spot here, probably about 18 yards. They're flying pretty well. I didn't hit the cane, but they seem to be flying well. Let's take a few more shots. Okay, shooting these wood arrows into this target when it's really wet, it's a terrible idea. I had to lay it on the ground and stick my foot on it and use my entire body weight and strength to get it out of the target. So yeah. These might be the last 4 shots. Hopefully they'll land in that deer target and not the 2 wooden stumps there. That target it's really tough to get the arrows out when it's wet. Okay, let's do this. So yeah, I was worried about these 2 stumps that are behind the deer target. I didn't even remember that there was one behind it. And that's where all 4 arrows landed. Okay, so that stump was actually pretty rotted and I was able to get all 4 out pretty easily. So I'm gonna take a few more cracks at this. Yeah, there's a good view of our Christmas morning here in Tampa. Nice and rainy. All right, let's get this set up. I think these arrows are punching straight through this target because I took the big one out from behind it. Oh boy. Maybe I'm just not cut out to shoot wood arrows this morning. All right, let's give it another few shots here. We can do this. I think that's it, guys. I think that's it. It's just such a pain in the butt getting rained on, and I'm just messing these arrows up every time I shoot them. I got 2 there that are stuck in this stump now, as well as halfway through here. Yeah. All right, what the heck? What's 4 more gonna do? Last time, I promise. All right, I think that's a wrap for this morning. For now, they're gonna have to remain shatterproof. I think we got really close on a lot of these shots. Had it been a tennis ball, I think I would have hit it like 5 times at least. But that shot's gotta be perfect. So thanks again for the arrows, John. These will dry up and maybe we'll try this again this afternoon. Take care, guys.